When people think about taxes, they tend to think about the tax compliance side of things. So actually the tax return, April 15th, all those things that come around with filing your individual return. But Capstone really does a lot more than that. We also do a lot of planning behind the taxes themselves. And that really happens all year long. And we've made a really big effort to build up both the planning and the compliance side of our team.
When it comes to income tax at Capstone, we look at individual income tax preparation. We look at trust tax preparation. We look at small business tax preparation. We also get involved in estate planning matters for clients. Those may or may not involve things like gift tax returns and estate tax returns. All of that emanates for us, though, from a planning perspective. The tax compliance work that we do is always in conjunction with somebody having a broader financial planning engagement with the firm.
Throughout the year, we're doing a lot of planning for the clients. We make their estimated tax payments for them. We actually do projections throughout the year. 3, 4, 5 times a year. We know what their investments are. We know what their goals are. We've seen that return throughout the year. We've made those estimated payments. We've projected to make sure that we have the cash available if there's taxes due or the refund that may be coming. So it gives us a big leg up from what most tax professionals can have, because we have that investment portfolio here at Capstone already.
We're fortunate in that we have a deep team in terms of their credentials and their experience. We have CPAs that focus almost all of their time exclusively on tax matters during the season and throughout the year. We have our financial planning teams that also support all the tax requirements for the firm throughout the year.
When those two pieces are done separately, the tax planning, the tax compliance, there's not always a good communication between the two. And so we're doing really the big picture. We're doing all of it together. So we know we've done the planning throughout the year. When it comes time to file the return, there's no surprises by us, there's no surprises by the client. So it just makes their lives easier having that one-stop shop and being able to get it all done in one place.
Capstone, with these different areas of tax that we're looking at, we spend a lot of time looking at ways to minimize taxes for clients. We tend to be very active in making sure that client tax situations are as efficient as possible.
Some of the strategies that we might use are thinking about asset location, considering qualified versus non-qualified retirement accounts or taxable accounts, what's going on in the market for them from a tax perspective. Are there benefits that we can gain from utilizing, such as tax loss harvesting or capital gain recognition and the timing of that capital gain recognition?
It's a whole big circle where everybody's working together to try to make sure that the tax tail does not wag the investment dog. Let's get it right. Taxes is an important component, but it can't be the most important component of any investment advice. And that's what really makes a well-rounded investment plan, is when you get that tax and the investment advice all wrapped up into one.